Everyone, so in this video we're going to talk about how you fix the issue where your thumbnails are essentially black on your reel. So you can see right now that one of them, which is this one, has a thumbnail and the other ones are just black. Now there's a really simple way to do this and I'm going to show you now. So you're going to click on your reel, you're going to go to edit, and then you're going to click edit on here. Now when you do that, you can see there's a little edit icon. So this is the third time you have to press edit now, and when you click on that, it will show you your frames from your video. Now you can either go from your camera roll, which is down here, or you can just adjust it, and then you can just press done. But I might have to just see if I can move this out of the way. There we go. And once you've done that, and you go back, you'll see now it's done. So I'm going to quickly repeat the same for all of them. And you can see it's as simple as that. So yeah, that's how you do it.